Hey family, I just want to talk to you guys about the tea of the week. The only reason why I try to tell you guys about a tea of the week, it just tells you more of the herb and it tells you what the benefits it does for your body. I have digestive issues because I do not have my gallbladder, so sometimes I can't really eat a big meal. Sometimes, you we get greedy and we overeat, and sometimes you can't do that, especially if you don't have your gallbladder, because your gallbladder actually helps. It holds the bowel, so the bowel actually helps, breaks down the fat in your food. So you definitely need your gallbladder. So what the bile do, it just constantly leaks, and it just leaks into your intestines, and that's why you're always feeling kind of off. You're feeling bloated. Sometimes you get nauseous. Sometimes, it's just a little aggravating, and you just wish you never lost your gallbladder. So that's why I try to do the tea of the week, and I found ginger tea. It just helps. It helps with your digestive issues. It just helps soothe you, especially with the inflammation. For those who have joint pain, just pain in general, and don't know where it's coming from because nobody want to tell you got arthritis. So I just want to make sure I give you the tea of the week and just let you know in just different ways. And plus, tea warms your body. No, I don't recommend you put sugar. So I know you guys want to put sugar. Please don't put sugar. Yes, the ginger is a little off, but it just soothes. You decide which tea you want to take, but I just want you to know the benefits, the great benefits of ginger with your body and what it does. It helps in all areas, especially when I go down the list. So if you're part of this list, which is long, so I just want you to know, go ahead and try ginger. Just try it. You don't have to do it for the 7 days, but just try it. Try it just try it one day. You can have 2 to 3 cups a day. So that's why I love the ginger tea. So but little note, if you're on blood thinner, because it does thin your blood. So if you're on blood thinner, I suggest you not to drink the ginger tea, but speak to your provider. Speak to your provider, because you could probably just get a little bit and just add a little ginger in your foods. So don't slip on that. So ginger, look, you can juice it. I love juice it because you can have ginger shots. Don't sleep on them ginger shots. It's potent. It gives you energy. So that's why I want to make sure you guys don't sleep on the ginger, because um it's an excellent benefit. Look, it helps with arthritis, back pain, bloating, intestinal cramping. Look now, it helps with BPH. It helps with bronchitis, chest colds, pneumonia, constipation, dry mouth, cough. Come on now, you guys. It helps with endometriosis, fevers, look, headaches, heart palpitations, IBS, colitis, inflammation, joint pain, menstrual cycle in irregular. Look. If your administration is off, like I can't even say that word because I'm sitting here tripping. But look, it helps for muscle soreness. That's post-workout recovery. It helps with nausea, pain management, pant fasciitis. And look, I had that because my feet used to hurt so bad. Oh my gosh, I didn't know what that was. But helps with PMS, seasonal depression, look, and sprains and strains and varicose veins and hemorrhoids. So look, go ahead and get you some ginger. Add your ginger. I'm drinking ginger tea. Look, I'm drinking ginger tea. So I just want you to know that it's great benefits of different teas, different herbals, but today is ginger, and I want you to know. Love the ginger. Trying to make sure I give you all. So I just want to make sure I give you all the great benefits of ginger. Look, grow it yourself. That's what I'm in the process of doing. I already started. But anyway, love your ginger. Get your ginger tea. Look, I love it. I love it. Look, this warm keeps you warm. But look, go ahead, enjoy your tea. I just want to make sure that you know the tea of the week from Herbalist Viola is ginger tea. So enjoy your tea, guys. Bye.